Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will discuss a trick by which we can calculate the cube of two-digit number within seconds. Now there is a simple prerequisite required for learning this trick is that you should be good at multiplication. And I'm assuming as you guys are watching this video, you guys will are good at this thing. Okay, so let's get started. At first, I'm going to discuss a algebraic formula. I hope you guys know this formula, right? A plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3 square b plus 3b square plus b cube. We are going to use this formula for our calculation of cube, not actually the whole formula, but only a particular part of it, and we will see about that. For let's say if you want to calculate the cube of a number, let's say 23, the cube of 23, then what we need to do is divide this number into two parts. We will call this 2 as a, and we will call this 3 part b. Now we're going to calculate this thing. So I've just written the formula here: a cube plus 3a square b 3a b square b cube. There is no plus in between because we don't need it. We don't need the plus sign in between. Now let's calculate the result. Cube of 2 is 8. 3 into 4 12 into 3 is 36. 3 into 2 6. 6 into 9 will give me 54. And 3 cube is 27. Next up, I will just add a bracket here. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to write 7 as it is, the unit digit. Then I'm going to pass 2 here. So 54 plus 2 will give me 56. Then again, I'm going to add a bracket here. I'm going to pass this thing over here. 36 plus 5 is 41. Then again, I'm going to bracket here at like the front place, leave the unit digit. Then I'm going to pass it here. And 8 plus 4 will give me 12. Now the answer will be 12167. Like I took the 1 6 and 7. So the cube of 23 is 12167. Now let me check it if it's correct or not. You guys can check it as well. I'm going to check it on my calculator. 23 into 23 into 23 will give me 12167. So this thing is correct. Let me repeat myself. Like what I actually did was, at first I divided the number in two parts, a and b. Then I just wrote this formula over here, which is a cube 3 a square b 3 a b square, then b cube. Under the next step, I just calculated the cube, calculated this, which is 3 into 4 12 into 3 36. Again 3 into 2 into 9 will give me 54, and 3 cube will give me 27. Next up, I save the unit place digit and pass this digit over here. 54 plus 2 will give me 56, and then again I save the 6, passed 5 onto the left will give me 41, saved 1, pass 4 onto the left, 8 plus 4 will give me 12167. Actually this is a very fast method. Maybe you can grab a paper and a pen and try it out. This is actually very helpful during exams. For more interesting videos, do check out my channel, give suggestions in the comment, share it with your friends if you find this thing interesting. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and peace out.